One thing we realized about a glider was that you needed some stability, you needed positive dihedral angle. But the problem is, dihedral adds drag. So every time you make it more stable, you're slowing the plane down. The other thing that we did, and we discovered in Mojave, was that the air separates from the wing very close to the nose when the plane is traveling quickly, when you launch it. And as the plane slows down, the air can adhere further back. So what I did is create a glider that changes its shape based upon the speed that it's flying. I put very flat dihedral angle at the nose so that when it's in launch phase and the air is separating from the nose of the plane, it's encountering very little drag. As the air can adhere further back, as the plane is slowing down and the air adheres further back, it hits this greater dihedral angle and then it gets more stability. This is an idea that simply had not been tried, had not been done, and it ended up being the world record idea. And I come to places like Zeitgeist, and I come to schools, and I really enjoy, not that you guys aren't a great audience, you're probably my second, third, maybe sixth favorite audience. But anyway, I come to schools because paper airplanes are a really soft way into science. It's something kids can pick up and fly and devise their own experiment and get the results instantly and then go back and try it again. So there's this cycle of experiment, gathering results, re-experimenting. And I believe it's really, really important to hardwire our kids with science now because we have a number of global issues that are only going to have science-based answers. We got water shortages, energy shortages, food shortages, global warming. We need every brain working on this. We don't have any spare brains. We need kids taking simple ideas and making them more efficient, making them better, coming up with new ways to do what we already know how to do. And this is just one example of how to do that. So I want to thank all you guys for coming to Zeitgeist. I want to thank Zeitgeist for having me here. I'll be at the sandbox if anyone wants to learn how to make the world record plane. But here is to the curious.